Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync files and folders to your Microsoft OneDrive account. First step is actually to open this OneDrive app inside of Windows. Let's go to our search bar and search for OneDrive. Now you want to click on it. It will open. If not, you need to go to your hidden icons here and you are going to show and you are going to have this icon here which you can open now. This cloud icon, tap on it and now tap on this gear icon, go for this settings here and you can see this sync and backup, which is the default bar, the default menu. You want to click on manage backup and now what OneDrive is going to show you is the folder that you can actually back up inside of your account. So as you can see here, I have my documents, pictures and these things. So I can select here if I want to back up these files into my one account, which I'm not going to do it, but you can toggle this on if you want to back up your files inside of these specific folders. And then you just have to click on OK, and then you have to wait until it uploads and then you have to click on this close. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to sync file and folders to Microsoft OneDrive. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.